Welcome back to McCord Library. Our summer reading theme is Tails and Tales, and with that we're debuting our Bird in a Bag kit. We have an adult kit and we have a juvenile kit. In the juvenile kit you get a logbook which you can fill out and keep of all the different birds that you find. And to help you identify your birds, the staff made a bird book. That comes back with the kit. And, of course, you need a set of binoculars to look for your birds. Once again, this is our juvenile kit, and it checks out for 1 week. Then we also have our adult kit, and in there is a journal book that you fill out what you have found, but this comes back to the library. There is a bird identification book to help you identify what you're seeing, and in our pocket here we have our binoculars, which don't want to come out. Here we go. Now, one of the important things to remember when using binoculars, to remove the lens covers. And luckily they're attached so you can't lose them. All of this fits in the bag, and we hope you come in and check out our Bird in a Bag kit as part of our summer reading program, Tails and Tales. Thank you.